The Nikon Z8 has finally arrived, and it's making waves in the photography community. This camera is designed to meet the needs of both professionals and serious enthusiasts, offering a combination of high resolution, advanced features, and robust performance. Today, we're going to take a closer look at what the Nikon Z8 has to offer and see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the specs. The Nikon Z8 features a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, which delivers outstanding image quality with incredible detail and clarity. It's paired with the Speed 7 processor, ensuring that the camera performs swiftly and efficiently, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or fast action, the Z8 is equipped to handle it all. Next, let's talk about autofocus. The Z8 comes with an advanced hybrid AF system that includes 493 focus points. This system is designed to track subjects with precision and speed, making it ideal for both stills and video. Speaking of video, the Z8 supports 8K UHD at 60 FPS, which is a big deal for videographers looking to produce high-quality cinematic content. The camera is also equipped with AI-powered subject detection, which is a standout feature. This technology allows the Z8 to recognize and track faces, eyes, and even animals automatically. It's a feature that makes capturing perfect shots easier, whether you're shooting portraits or wildlife. When it comes to design, the Nikon Z8 is both functional and stylish. The camera is built with a weather-sealed body, making it durable enough to withstand various shooting conditions. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the high-resolution touchscreen makes it easy to navigate through the menu and settings. In real-world use, the Z8 performs exceptionally well. Whether you're shooting in a busy city, a quiet forest, or at a fast-paced sports event, this camera delivers consistently impressive results. Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths, allowing you to adapt to different scenarios without missing a beat. Finally, battery life is another area where the Z8 excels. You can rely on it to last through a full day of shooting, which is crucial for long shoots or travel photography. This means less worry about running out of power and more focus on capturing great shots. In conclusion, the Nikon Z8 is a powerful and versatile camera that's well suited for both professionals and serious enthusiasts. It offers a high level of quality and control, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to elevate their photography and videography. If you're in the market for a new camera that can handle a wide range of tasks with ease, the Nikon Z8 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more detailed reviews and where to buy.